In the valley of Elah, between the armies of Israel and the Philistines, fear filled the air. Day after day, a giant named Goliath stepped forward, towering above all men, mocking Israel and defying the God they served. No warrior dared face him, not Saul the king, nor the strongest in his army. And then came a young shepherd, David, son of Jesse. He had no armor, no sword, no rank, only faith, a courage born not of strength, but of trust in the God of Israel. As he stepped forward to face the giant, the armies watched in disbelief. And David spoke words that would echo through history.
You come to me with a sword, with a spear, and with a javelin. But I come to you in the name of the Lord of hosts, the God of the armies of Israel, whom you have defied. This day the Lord will deliver you into my hand. I will strike you down and cut off your head. And I will give the bodies of the Philistine army to the birds of the air and the beasts of the earth, so that all the earth may know that there is a God in Israel. And all this assembly shall know that the Lord does not save with sword or spear, for the battle belongs to the Lord, and he will give you into our hands.
And with these words, David ran toward the giant, a shepherd against a warrior, a boy against a champion, faith against fear, and with a single stone, the Lord delivered victory. David showed the world that true strength does not come from weapons, armor, or size, but from unwavering faith and the courage to stand for God when others tremble. His words still speak to us today. The battle is the Lord's, and with him, no giant is too great.